Okay, students. Yesterday I have told you about the SQL and Python connectivity. Okay. And simple queries. You learned about the simple queries connectivity by Python. So if you want to display all the details of the student or by using the conditions like whose mass in subject 1 is greater than 50, like that. Okay. Now the next is, if you want to display the data along with calculated column. Suppose this is a table and roll number, name, subject 1, subject 2 and subject 3 is given in this table, but total is not given. Total is not given in the table, but you want to display the total along with this data. Then what should we have to do using the Python program? So first of all, you need to import the package. Import MySQL dot connector as usual, as we have done in the previous questions. Now perform the connection using the same syntax like C equal to m dot connect, host equal to localhost, user equal to root. These are the credentials that is given in the questions. Now if you go through in the board exam, then host name, username and password that is already given in the question. Okay. But now we can use the same credential that we use in the lab. Like we are using the same computer where you are doing the SQL in localhost and usually the root. Mostly in all cases the root will be the username. Okay. Otherwise the root username is the user can be changed. Passwd equal to password that we use in the lab compact and database. Suppose school database in which this table is present. Fine. Next, take the cursor. That will be the same as in the previous examples. Take the cursor, cr equal to c dot cursor. Here we are creating the cursor object. The cursor object execute the queries. Now we have to write the query in which this column will be added in the query. Okay. Now write the query cr dot execute and select. Give the column which you want to display, like RNO, name, subject, that is giving the table, subject 2, subject 3, and total is not given in that table. So take the expression SUB1 plus SUB2 plus SUB3 as total. Here we can leave this the column heading because this column heading not printed in the connectivity. Okay, you have to print the heading separately. Okay, if you skip this, then don't worry about this. From student. Now these are the records fetches by fetch all function of the cursor object d equal to cr dot fetch all. Now traverse this for I in D and again traverse it because this is the tuple. You can traverse it by another loop for j in I print j and equal to /t because of for each column you have to add the tag space and again after the ending the loop you have to print because you want to change the line of each row. Okay, here heading will not be displayed. You want to display the headings, then put the command here to print the heading simply by using the print command like print RNO slash T name slash T SUV and SUV3 and total also. ठीक है. Now close the connection. Then it will display the calculated column in the query. Thank you.